Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So it is Thursday, October the 2nd, and we are talking about a really easy freebie over at Walgreens. Lots of you were telling me about this deal in the comments of the last couple of videos I've made this week. So I went and investigated, and you guys are right on the money for this one. So we're just going to break it down. You are going to have to do this deal in store specifically, and you are looking for this product at $2.99, and it's on a buy one, get one 50% off. Why am I showing this visual? Because my store did not have any in stock, but the stock is often kind of chintzy. So as you see the sticker in store, buy one, get one 50% off on the select Summer's Eve feminine care, $5 reward when you buy two. That's a store reward, and the expiry on that is November the 1st, bottom right-hand corner. So if your store is like mine where it's not in stock, guess what? You can absolutely do this. You have a month to do it, and they will have it back in stock. So just brace yourself. This deal is coming. Look for this also in the regular feminine care aisle, and then also on side caps, which are towards the end of an aisle. Grabbing two of these wipes in the box, and they're the little disposable ones. It's $4.48 at $2.99 on a buy one, get one 50% off. After you pay for that or roll $4 in Walgreens cash and pay the 48 cents, you're going to get back a $5 register reward. This one is a store one, so just be careful if you use it in a booster in the future. It's not going to be the $5. It'll be like using $5 of Walgreens cash with a booster deal, which you can't do. So you're going to have to buy something completely different with this. And it works on anything in the store, just not feminine care. It makes this free plus a 51-cent money maker. And yes, you can use Walgreens cash if you're not using it with the booster. But with that store register reward that prints, just realize that if you use it in a future booster deal, you'll be $5 less than the cost of the booster. So you'll have to get $5 more. So I would just use it on something else that day. Alternatively, we have the larger bag of wipes at $5.99 and one of the washes also at $5.99. Definitely open up your app and scan everything to ensure that it's ringing up for the cost that you're grabbing, because there's a bigger one for $9.99 and you don't want to grab two of those because that wouldn't be a lot of fun. So grabbing two of these, it would be $8.98, getting back that $5 store register reward. It's $3.98 for the two, or $1.99 per unit. This is an in-store deal only, as well as it's involving a register reward. If you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Just be very mindful of that. And if you find, like, say, 4 boxes of those wipes and you want to do the deal, you have to do it in separate transactions, because that register reward will only print once per transaction. And hopefully I didn't confuse you guys too much, but I would definitely throw this on the list for this weekend if you're driving by a Walgreens. Okay, now we're going to talk about the last deal. On the left-hand side, that is Shopkick. On the right-hand side, that is IBOTTA. It is for this Nature's Made supplement that is magnesium specifically. It has to be that one. And really pay attention, you're grabbing the right supplement as well. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon, so please make sure you have it loaded. The Nature's Made currently at Walgreens is buy one, get one free. So 2 of them at $12.99. You're only paying for one. That 3 off 2 will come off, so you'll pay $9.99. Photograph your receipt for $6.50 back from IBOTTA. You're also getting back $17.60 from Shopkick, which is basically $7.04, making this free plus a $3.55 moneymaker. You're doing this deal with no booster. Yes, you can use some Walgreens cash to pay it down to earn the 2. But it's a complete freebie. If you use magnesium, definitely. And I would do this one in store because you want to scan the product that you're buying in case it doesn't work with both IBOTTA and Shopkick, because sometimes it's a bit goofy. So I would be smart and just do this in store. Taking a little moonwalk down the hair care aisle. If you are into hair color or even like that Tresemme root touch-ups, which is a really great product, a lot of this stuff at 50% off. I cannot wait till it goes even cheaper. I was kind of in a rush yesterday, so I didn't scan every product to see if there were coupons attaching, but if your store might have these colors on clearance and you are like, I really want to get some, I'm guessing it probably all started going down last Tuesday, so maybe in a couple weeks it'll go 80, if not more. Wouldn't that be nice? And don't be shy to also open up IBOTTA. Maybe there might be a rebate or two for some of these. Now, before I take off into the big sunset, guys, Dollar General clearance event starts on Friday, October the 3rd. I have a video, very easy to follow, with a bunch of freebies. Even if you're a very strict pharmacy shopper, I think it's time to go to the Dollar General and find some of these freebies. I will link my video right here. That's it for this one. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.